So today we're here in Tampere, and I'm happy to have an interview with the new CEO of Glaston, Miika Äppelqvist, and we know since more than 10 years. So I'm very happy to ask him some questions, and I guess we go straight in. So how do you see the challenges and chances for the glass industry worldwide?
Well, Matthias, now I think we are living in the world that is far from stable at the moment.
Yeah.
There are all kinds of geopolitical risks that are, some of them are even realizing at the moment, but there are always opportunities. There are always opportunities. If you can create value in the whole value chain of glass and buildings and automotive, there are opportunities. There will be the traditional opportunities, improving efficiencies, improving energy efficiency, attacking the, let's say, labor shortage through automation. So there are always opportunities. So let's keep on pushing that. That's important. Now, if we talk about what is the risk, of course, is that we end up waiting. So we end up waiting that something is happening and not kind of addressing those opportunities that are always there.
Good. So how is Glaston positioned in this context?
Well, we continue to have high investments in R&D, in development. That has been always very important to us. The theme of being technology leader in the industries where we are in, that's number one priority for us. So in a way, the constant follow-up of market opportunities, a constant follow-up on how we can develop better solutions, that is in our DNA.
Okay. And what do you see as your priorities being the new CEO of Glaston? What has to be done now?
Well, for me, it's actually pretty easy. So there is number one priority, which is always the customer. So how we can create more customer value, and that starts then from what are the challenges, what our customers today have. A lot of that has to do with reliable, energy efficient, good quality operations. So for us, the question is that how we can support that better, and a lot of investments will be done in to further develop our services. We see it as a number one thing to serving our customers. Okay. But the second thing, of course, is also innovation. I mentioned this technology leadership, that continues to be our main target, and we will continue to put a lot of effort in developing our solutions then that create value for our customers.
Very good. So how can the industry be successful in the future? What will make the glass industry strong?
I mean, that's a great question, and of course I think all of us are thinking about that. One way of looking at it is that at sometimes what has made us successful now or until this point may not be the same things that may make us successful in the future, and it's good to reflect what are the things that kind of will not change in the future. There will be a lot of changes, but also kind of what will not change. So if I list things that I don't think will change, is the fact that we want daylight also in the future. So I'm very confident that glass will be there, and when we have daylight, we will need energy performing buildings, we need energy performing glazing, and that means the supply for good quality products, good quality windows, facades, good energy performing products will be there, and as such, as an industry, I think we are well prepared for the future.
Thank you very much, Nika. This is very encouraging for me to hear and for the glass industry for sure. So have a good work and a good start again with the Glaston and as being a CEO for this company. Thank you.
Thank you, Matthias.